A 1950 Cadillac Series 62 convertible sits in a dusty barn, its chrome dulled, its memory nearly erased. The restorer begins by stripping age from the body, then pairs the classic chassis with a modern electric drive. Wiring, gauges, and suspension are upgraded while preserving the era's silhouette, a delicate dance between memory and safety. The team confronts sourcing authentic trim and even tests electric torque against smooth traditional steering for a silent thunder. When finished, the convertible honors its lineage and offers thrilling acceleration, proving vintage charm can meet tomorrow's sensibilities.